Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to build a local AI chatbot using Streamlit and Ollama. Okay, but before starting coding, let's understand what is Ollama and what Ollama actually is. Okay, so Ollama is a so this is the Ollama.com. Okay, this is a website and it is a tool that allow you to run large language model locally on your own computer. Normally, when we use ChatGPT or Gemini, our data goes to cloud. It need internet, it may cost money, but with Olama everything run offline. Your data stay on your machine, no API key required, completely free and private. So Olama is basically Docker for AI model. Okay, it download model like Mistral. Okay, I will show you that model which is present here. Okay, so you can use Gamma model, you can use DeepSeek, Llama, you can use V, Mistral. Okay, so these all model are present. Okay, and you can run them locally. So how to install Ollama? So you have to come on that uh, Ollama.com and then you have to click on download. And when you will click download, if you have Windows, you can download for Windows, you can download for Mac or Linux. Okay, after downloading this, after installing this, okay, open your CMD. Already it is installed in my laptop. So I will open my CMD and I will show you it is working or not. So I will open my CMD and to check that Olama is installed successfully or not, you have to write a command like Olama version. Okay, then it will show you that Olama version. So it is already installed in my system. Okay, and if you will come again, if you will come to the GitHub and that all models are present. So according to your laptop power, you have to select your model like Gamma 3, which model you want to install. You have to select that model. Okay, and you have to write like Olama pool. Okay, so I'm using Gamma 3 model. Okay, that's why I will write Olama pool Gamma 3 column b 1 billion parameter. Okay, if you want to install DeepSeek R1, then you can use that also. But here is one note. Okay, you should have at least 8 GB of RAM available to run 7 million model, 6 GB to run 13 billion model, and 30 GB to run 33 billion model. Okay, so what is saying that if your laptop have 8 GB RAM, then you can download up to 7 billion parameter model. Okay, like Java, code Llama, okay, and neural chat, okay, you can install this model, okay. So if you will install the high model, it will take a lot of time and it will make stuck your it will stuck your laptop, okay. So let's install the model, okay. So I will go on that CMD and I will install uh, Llama full and whatever model you want to install, you have to write that, okay. So I will write Gamma B, okay, and C. It's already installed in my system, that's why it's showing that. And how you can check that it's working or not, then you have to write a command line to check it's working or not. So you have to write copy this code because I installed this model. Okay, so Olama run and I will come here and I will paste this here and let's see, it will take time. Okay, a little bit of time. Now this model is load. I will write hi and it will give you answer. Okay, and I will ask explain universe. Okay, and look, it's giving the answer. Okay, what is universe? So this is how Olama is working. Okay, right now it is connected. I am connected with my Wi-Fi. Okay, but I will show you that it's working with without internet connection also because it is locally installed in your system. Okay, it's private. Okay, so it don't need internet to run this model. Okay, like it's writing now, and see my internet is off here, and still it is writing the answer. Okay, and I will show you that also that how you can use this Olama to build a AI chatbot. Okay, so my God, it's explaining a lot about that. And let's see. Okay, that it's a stop. Okay, I will say that right about India in 100. Okay, and let's see, it will write about India. Okay, India is the world. So basically how it is writing. Okay, so it will work without internet connection. Okay, so now you understand about that. You have a local chat GPT running in your terminal. Okay, it's not like a chat GPT, but now you can run LLM model without internet connection. Okay, so what does it? Okay, and now we will build a web app using Streamlit, and it will connect to the Ollama user type a question, and model will reply, and that it will work fully offline. Okay, so let's get start. I will come to the my VS Code, and I will show you that how it is going to work. So I hope you understand the concept of Ollama easily. Okay, so let's jump to the code. I will close my terminal and I will come to the code. Okay, so this code is already written here. Okay, and the best practice is always make a folder, then make a virtual environment and activate your virtual environment. And here we are using only Streamlit. So we will install the Streamlit also. Install, pip install Streamlit. Okay, so already Streamlit is installed in my system. Okay, that's why I didn't take a time, and because all the my internet is closed, so now I will run without internet. Okay, so first I will explain you that all code line by line. So we are bringing two tool in our project. First is Streamlit and subprocess. Okay, so Streamlit, this is used to create a website uh, uh, without this no web app. Okay, and that subprocess. Okay, so this is used to talk the computer terminal, so Python can run command like Ollama run mistral or Ollama run gamma. Okay, and here we are setting the page config. Okay, local AI chatbot. Then we are set. We written here st.title, our title of our local AI chatbot, local AI chatbot Ollama. Then we gave a caption. Then we created a sidebar here. Okay, and in the sidebar you can see that there is I gave two model. Okay, user can choose either gamma or either mistral. Okay, so this is what. Okay, and now we will come to the chat memory. Okay, in the chat memory, okay, what it's going to do. So this is very important. It create a memory box for the chat. Without this, old message will disappear, chat reset every time. Okay, and with the help of this, chat history will saved like a WhatsApp memory. Okay, and then display chat history. Okay, what is going to do, so this means go through the all saved message and show them again on the screen, so user can see previous question, previous answer. Okay, and then we are taking here user input. Okay, like whatever question you will write in that web app, that it will take input as a user input. Okay, and the variable is user input here. Okay, so now we will write a condition here. Okay, when the user will type something, that means only run the next code if user actually types something. So program wait until user send a message. Okay, and now we will save the user message. Okay, and now from here. Okay, so this save user message into memory like writing in a notebook, like user will say that hello and then AI will reply. Okay, and then it will show the user message, and it will display the user message on the screen which you will create using Streamlit, so users see their own responses. Okay, and the most important thing here, okay, like we are going to call Ollama locally. Okay, so this line of code, this behind the scenes. Okay, so if the Ollama run gamma, and your question will be there. Okay, that user input. Okay, so the Python talk to the computer, and computer talk to the Ollama, and Ollama talk to the AI model, and AI give the answer. Okay, and then we will come to the here. Okay, and get AI answer. Okay, so this take AI reply and save into a reply a variable. Okay, so now you will see the answer. Okay, and then we are going to save AI answer. Okay, so this store AI reply in memory, so chat history become user message and AI reply. Okay, and then with the help of this and this display AI reply on screen just like a chat GPT Gemini. Okay, so I hope you understand the whole workflow of this code. Okay, and how this work, like user will type message and Python send it to Ollama. Okay, and Ollama ask the AI model, and AI send the answer back and Streamlit show on the website. Okay, so this is the bridge between website and local AI model. Okay, it will connect a web AI, it will connect AI brain Ollama and using Python. Okay, and that's exactly how real AI product built in companies, because it's private. Like whatever queries you will write here, it won't go to the server because you are not connected with any server. Like if you are using Grok API key or Gemini, and if you write any question, then it will go to the server cloud, and from there your response will come. So firstly, we will run this application, and I will show you that how it is working. Okay, so I will write code Streamlit run Ollama.py. Okay, and now this will run. Okay, so now this the chatbot is coming. Chatbot, this is the chatbot which we created here. Okay, and I will write any question like hi, and it is going to give answer. And look here, we are not connected with any internet. Okay, but still our chatbot is working, and I will write like explain about, or you can ask any question to this Ollama chatbot. Now you have a private AI model. Okay, so in this video, we didn't just build a chatbot. We learned how real AI system actually work behind the scene. Okay, and it is still taking time because it is fully dependent on my RAM. The Ollama model is using my RAM and my system. Okay, so that's why it is taking a time to give answer, but it will give you answer. Okay, because it is running locally. So we learn how real AI system actually work behind the scene. Okay, and we connected a website to a local AI model without internet, without API key, and without any paid tool. If you understand this concept, you already know more than 90% of beginners in AI, because this is the same concept used in real startup and real product. Okay, and just don't watch the tutorial, build project like which will help you. Okay, and this project show you that AI is not a magic, it's just a smart connection between simple tools. Okay, and now see the it took lots of time, and finally it gave you answer. Okay, let's dive into the comprehensive explanation of earth, and this is the response which that our Olam are given. Okay, and I am using here Gamma 3.1. Okay, and you can use Mistral also, but Mistral is not installed in my system. Okay, so I'm not going to use it. If I will like any queries, it will get stuck. Okay, so you can try installing any other Olam, any other open source model, like you can try Gamma 3. Okay, you can try uh, you can try small model like Llama 3.1. You can use Phi model. Okay, you can use Mistral. Okay, just try using different models. So I hope you like this video, and that's it for today, guys. And in next video, I will compare that uh, cloud AI model and local AI model. Okay, and I will show you that how there is huge difference between them. Okay, so thank you for what thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and that's it.